Hi, I'm Kyle Krumlauf, and this is CCC Trends. This month, we're taking a closer look at the regulatory impacts on electric vehicle production in the U.S., starting with the most significant climate legislation in American history, the Inflation Reduction Act, which aims to make EVs half of all vehicles sold in the U.S. by 2030. While you might think this is an aggressive goal, it's worth noting that in the 2 years since the initial executive order was signed, the number of charging stations has doubled, EV sales have tripled, and thanks to new infrastructure bills and emission rules, EVs are now on track for 67% market share by 2032. Even if projections fall short, the uptick in EV production could necessitate transformation for auto claims and repair organizations as we face a not too distant future where a growing number of collisions will involve EVs. We've got a lot to cover, so let's push the start button. Many EV models are high-performance vehicles. Tesla, for example, dominates the American market, accounting for roughly 65% of all new EV sales and nearly 80% of all EV claims processed by CCC in 2022. Electric native automakers, or those who only make EVs, like Rivian, Polestar, Lucid, and BrightDrop, are also rolling out smaller quantities of new luxury models. While many EVs are designed with safety features and undergo the same rigorous testing as ICE vehicles, a 2022 survey from AXA found that EVs cause 50% more collisions than ICE vehicles, likely due to drivers' unfamiliarity with the quick acceleration, instant torque, and heavier frame of EVs. The result? A high-speed crash involving heavier, high-performance EVs can transfer even greater impact force to other lighter vehicles, resulting in elevated casualty risks, more vehicle damage, higher claims costs, and longer cycle times, which could potentially add more friction to an already strained auto repair industry. In 2022, EVs accounted for 1.2% of repairable estimates processed by CCC. While this might seem small, it represents a 96% increase from 2021, which shows just how much EV ownership has grown in the last year, especially in states like California that account for nearly 40% of all US EV sales and claims. And despite the growing network of certified EV repair shops and the uptick in EV automaker service centers, capacity issues persist. In 2022, EVs took 25% longer just to get into a shop, and the average cycle time grew to 58 days. That's nearly 2 months. So, how can repair shops and claims organizations prepare for an electric future? First, increase awareness around the current technician shortage and the emerging need to support EV fleets. Second, pursue grants and funding to help enlist new technicians and prepare shops to perform work on more EVs. Third, create a framework for differentiation between EVs and ICE vehicles to support evolving claims strategies. And finally, educate claims organizations on unique EV operations, like towing and storage, charging and battery maintenance, and even labor and parts costs. To read our full EV Trends report on the future of electric vehicles, please visit cccis.com. I'm Kyle Krumlauf. Thanks for watching.